Step into elegance and royalty with no compromise on comfort at Gateway Lofts Centerville, your one-stop student accommodation in Centerville. Choose from opulent 1- and 2-bedroom apartments with private bedrooms and bathrooms available, an in-unit washer and dryer for seamless laundry days, spacious walk-in closets to store your style with care. Dive into the resort-style heated pool for a splash or long laps, or hit the fitness center for some intense workouts to stay fit. When focus mode hits hard, head to the co-working stations with free printing for last-minute assignment submissions. You can fire up the grills and enjoy yummy roasts. Plus, with garage parking available, your wheels have a home too. The University of Dayton and Wright State University are just a short drive away, so getting to class has never been easier. Also, Loop at Alex Bell and Loop at Versailles bus stops are located nearby for easy commute. So, hurry and secure your spot at Gateway Lofts Centerville with amberstudent.com and unlock your uni experience in Centerville today.